What's that?
Thomas Christmas tree.
Thomas Christmas tree? Where'd you get that?
Thomas. Reg and Thomas.
Reg and Thomas, can I see?
Yep.
Wow. How about this?
Surprise.
Surprise and
Cheese.
So we have Reg there. We have Raymond there, and we have Thomas and a Christmas tree. This is Reg's Christmas surprise. Take and play, Thomas. Reg's Christmas surprise. Okay, can Mommy help you open it?
Yep. Okay.
What?
Okay, Mommy.
Okay.
Oh, what's the magic word?
Please, Mommy. Open.
Please, Mommy.
Are you excited?
Open.
Yes.
Yeah?
Whoa, oh, ho. What does Santa say?
Oh.
Whoa. Do 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 do.
Wow.
Cool, Raymond, say, Thomas, come out.
Thomas, come out.
I want to play with you.
I want to play with you.
Really? Yeah! We did it!
Oh, wow.
Look, Raymond, it's red. And
Can I see Reg?
the trap.
This is Reg. Reg is a crane.
Crane.
Oh, whoa! Reg has a claw, Raymond.
Yeah.
Oh, you
And
knew
can I
that?
see Thomas? Oh, hi, Thomas. So you have Thomas and Reg? And Reg and the
See?
Christmas tree.
This is true.
Look, Daddy, Reg is covered in snow, and so is Thomas. Oh,
There's
there.
Reg with the Christmas tree. I'm gonna give you the tree, Thomas. Do you want the Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Here you go. Oh, your card is in the front. Here, take the tree, Thomas. Take it. Thomas, take the tree. Take the tree. Take the tree.
Oh, nice.
Good job, Thomas. But I think you're going the wrong way. Your card's supposed to be in the back. Oh, there you go. There's Reg.
Oh, Raymond.
Clap on the track. Clap on the
A
track.
crack in the track.
Oh, wow. Looks just like the picture, huh?
Oh, look, Reg. Raymond, what's Mommy's name?
Yes.
That's Mommy. The garbage dump crane.
Dump.
Yeah? What is it?
Garbage.
Yeah. Okay, Reg. Thomas is ready for the Christmas. Thomas is ready for the Christmas tree, Reg. Oh,
Yay!
there you go. Good job.
Big so.
Choo-choo. I got the tree.
Some more.
Get some more trees.
Yes. Get some more.
Take some more, Reg.
Take some more. Hey, Thomas.
Hey, Thomas. What's that on your cart?
Oh,
It's a
this is tree.
Christmas tree. Wow, where are you going to bring the Christmas tree to? We're going to bring it to... Where?
The card.
The card, okay. There's Reggie. And the claw. Reggie's claw's gonna get you. Rawr. Rawr. Uh-oh. Oh, hi, Thomas. I didn't see you there. You're too heavy for me, Thomas. You're too heavy for me. With a special guest appearance from... Oh, hi, guys. I'm Bill. Oh, hi, Bill. I'm Reg. Oh, Bill, are you going to take the Christmas tree?
Yes.
I think you're facing the wrong way, Bill. Where's the tree?
Yes.
There's the tree. Bye, Bill. Uh-oh.
Thomas pulling Bill.
Thomas is pulling Bill, and Bill is pulling the
The
cart.
card.
Is Reg having a hard time?
Oh
Oh no. Maybe they need some help. I'll help, guys. My name is
no. Sorry.
Charlie. Charlie to the rescue.
Thomas.
There's Thomas. Oh,
Thomas more.
you want another Thomas?
Make a circle.
Can you get one more train?
Yeah.
Where is it?
I'm this. This.
Oh.
No more snow.
There, yeah, there's Thomas with no more snow. Can it work? Did it work? Oh, you have a circle. You have Thomas, you have regular Thomas, and Thomas with snow. Oh. There's two Thomases. Are they all going to pull the Christmas tree? Let's go, guys. Oh. Let's go, guys.
Let's go on the track.
Oh.
Charlie.
Hi, Charlie.
Thomas.
Hi, Thomas.
You.
Hi, Bill.
This is tree.
Hi, Christmas tree.
Hot.
Hello, cart.
And now Thomas.
And another Thomas.
Yay.
Ooh. And there's Reg.
Where do you
See, look. Let's get the tree.
Thomas? Where do me?
Where am I going to put the tree? Where am I going to put it? On Thomas.
I'm here, Reg.
Okay, let's put the tree on, okay? It's ready for you, Thomas.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what happened?
What happened?
Oh no, the tree fell down.
Omega, rescue friend.
Let's rescue the tree. You need two Thomases to rescue the tree. We need a snowy Thomas And the regular Thomas. 2 Thomases pulling the tree.
Bingo tree. Hi. 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 Hi.
Oh, hi.
Where's
What do you guys want to do?
Hey, the scrap monster. Scrap.
Where's the scrap monster?
This. This.
Where?
This. Oh, it's a scrap monster. Run away.
Run away! Run away, guys! There's a scrap monster! Oh my gosh!
Run away.
Run away! Where's runaway tree?
This scrap monster.
There's a scrap monster, yeah! Watch out! Uh-oh. My name is Charlie. What's your name?
Thomas.
My name is Thomas. Wait a minute. My name is Thomas. We're both Thomas. How can it be that one Thomas has snow and the other Thomas doesn't? Maybe I can tell you why. My name is Reg. Wake up, Thomas.
Oh, I'm awake.
You're awake? I thought you were... Oh,
Bye-bye.
oh, bye guys. See you later. Oh, the cart ran away. And the Christmas tree's coming back. The Christmas tree is walking back. Oh, hi guys. I'm the Christmas tree. How are you?
I'm Reg.
Oh, hi Reg. So we have Reg connected to one of these things here. And oh, and we have Thomas. Should Thomas go? Watch out, Reg. Thomas is coming through. Whoa. And Thomas again. Going backwards. Wow. And Bill. Go, Bill. Whoa. And the Christmas tree. Go, Christmas tree. Whoa. And the flatbed. Go, flatbed. Wow. Did you see that, Reg? Oh, I saw it, guys.
I see more.
Oh, where's some more?
Whoa.
Oh, hi. Oh. You like this toy? Oh. Oh. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, Raymond. Are you ready to say bye? Can you say bye?
Bye.
See you next time.
So next time.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.